How to crack the NIFT Situation Test. What is the NIFT Situation Test? The Situation Test is the second phase of the NIFT entrance exam. It is conducted to check a student's creative ability and material handling skills. Students are given a situation or a problem along with a set of materials. These can include colored paper, mount board, cardboard, toothpicks, cotton balls, etc. Students have to use these materials and present their solutions in the time provided. The situation test lasts for 2 hours and is for 100 marks. It has a 20% weightage in the overall score of the entrance exam. What is the judging criteria? How good is your idea and concept? You have to think of a creative idea and unique concept to solve the problem. Creative use of materials, which is the different techniques of material handling that you have to use to create the model. How good is the quality of your model? Is it neat, clean, and properly finished? Next is the presentation and aesthetic appeal. Models which are good to look at get a better score. And last is the write-up, which explains your core concept, inspiration, and use of materials. How to prepare for the NIFT situation test? First off, you have to learn how to manipulate different materials and understand how to use them together. Then you need to learn how to use different tools like scissors, pliers to make the 3D model. You have to learn how to think of an inspiration, build concepts, and translate it into the final model. Then the next step is to write a creative write-up and to support your model. And finally, to deliver all of this in 2 hours, you have to practice time management. Now let's talk about SILICA's NIFT Situation Test Kit 2020. This kit has been designed to prepare you for the NIFT situation test. It consists of a workbook, a DVD, 10 mock tests, and also various tools to help you create the model. Students are first expected to go through the workbook and then watch the video lessons along with it. Then you can finally move on to solve the 10 mock tests. Let's talk about the workbook and DVD. The situation test workbook tells you about the situation test and the best ways to prepare for it. It teaches you how to manipulate different materials. It contains solved examples of past NIFT situation tests and also additional questions for practice. The workbook prompts you to watch the video lessons in the DVD. Then we have the 10 mock situation test kits. These situation test kits are designed to give students the real situation test experience. Each kit contains a new question, specific materials, and a unique instruction manual. Some of the unique features of the mock test are that each test has different materials. There is a step-by-step guide to solve each test. There are also guidelines for the write-up. Each test has a unique hashtag, so you can click pictures of your final model and upload it with this hashtag. You will get likes, comments, feedback from faculty, and also you can view other students' work. Also, good models get a special feature on SILICA's social media handles. Another unique feature of the mock tests is that the mock tests have been divided into 3 categories, that is beginner, advanced, and pro. The beginner level gives you an experience with 3 to 4 materials, whereas the pro level has 14 to 16 materials. The difficulty level also increases with each test. Also, there is a progress tracker to help students keep track and work their way through all the 10 mock tests. So what are you waiting for? You can buy yourself a NIFT Situation Test Kit 2020. You can order it on SILICA's website and it is also available on Amazon. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.